Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Cafeat here, and today we're diving deep into the all-new ROG Ally X, the latest handheld gaming beast from ASUS. If you thought the original Ally was impressive, wait until you see what the X version brings to the table. And no, it's not just about a new color. Stick around because we're about to unbox this beauty, break down its features, and see how it stacks up against the OG Ally. Alright. Now, let's get up close and personal with the design. The Ally X isn't just a blacked-out version of the original. ASUS has really stepped up the game here. The aesthetics are clean and refined, with subtle yet significant tweaks. The hand grips are a bit thicker, the edges are smoother, and they've even thrown in some tiny ROG logos on the grip texture for that extra flair. Moving on to the controls, ASUS has made some smart upgrades. The thumbsticks now have a concave design with a grippier texture, giving you better control. They're also closer to the screen, so everything feels more intuitive. The D-pad and ABXY buttons have been beefed up for better responsiveness, and the triggers and bumpers are larger and easier to press. Plus, those mappable rear buttons? They've been repositioned to prevent any accidental presses. As for the display, the Ally X packs the same 7-inch, 1080p touchscreen with 120Hz support that we loved on the original. No OLED here, so you might catch a few reflections in bright settings, but don't worry, it's still sharp, vibrant, and bright with 500 nits. The finish on the screen also helps cut down on those pesky reflections, making it perfect for gaming on the go. Now let's talk performance, because the Ally X is an absolute powerhouse. It's got the same AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor as the original, but now with 24GB of RAM. Translation? This thing crushes demanding games like Cyberpunk and Forza Horizon 4, with frame rates hitting 60 to 90 FPS depending on whether you're plugged in or running on battery. It's smooth, fast, and ready for anything you throw at it. Storage? They've doubled down. The Ally X comes with a 1TB SSD, double what the original offered, and you can still expand it with an SD card or swap the SSD for something up to 8TB. Whether you're gaming or working, this device has you covered. Battery life has seen a massive upgrade too. We're talking about a leap from 40W to 80W hours, giving you up to 2 hours of gameplay in turbo mode. And if you need a quick recharge, the Ally X now supports up to 100W fast charging, so you're back in the game in about an hour. That's a game changer. And don't forget, it runs on Windows 11, so this isn't just a gaming console, it's a portable powerhouse. Whether you're gaming, working, or editing videos, this device can do it all. Hook it up to a monitor, and you've got a full-fledged desktop experience wherever you are. So, is the ROG Ally X worth the upgrade? If you're in the market for a handheld that can handle PC, Xbox, and PlayStation games while also being a productivity machine, this is the one to get. The improved battery life, better ergonomics, and extra storage make it a serious contender. But if you've already got the original Ally, you'll have to weigh those new features against the cost. For me, it's a solid upgrade and definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and smash the bell icon so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next one.